What's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. We are in an apartment today and we got a plugged toilet. Obviously it's not draining. We're going to use the auger today. This is the Ridgid auger, 6 foot with pivoting drop head. So it turns out it was just poop in the trap. Can't get much easier than that. We're gonna snake it out anyway just to make sure. There's something good and bad about this job. I drove an hour and a half to get here. That's the bad part. The good part is it didn't take as long to clear the drain. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't, share the video. Okay? Do whatever you guys want to do. And I hope you guys have a great day. Until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Trogna.